You've typed things into an AI chatbot you'd never say out loud. Your health, your salary, a problem at work, a worry at 2 a.m. It feels completely private, just you and the screen. It isn't. And there's already a copy of every word one you can't delete. A chat window feels like a diary. Just you and the screen, no one else in the room. You type things you'd whisper, not shout. That cozy feeling is exactly the trap. Because the room isn't as empty as it looks. So picture a confession booth instead. You lean in and whisper your secrets, trusting they vanish into the dark. But behind this booth's curtain, there's a photocopier. Every word you whisper gets copied before it fades. The confession feels private, the copy is not. So, where do the copies go? They travel to the company that runs the chatbot. Real people may read a sample of chats to improve the service. And by default, your words can be used to train the next version of the AI. Your private confession can get baked into the machine, a machine millions of people share. And here's the risk that makes all of this matter. A copy that exists somewhere can leak anywhere it's stored. It's one breach away from getting out. If you pasted a password, a medical result, or a contract, that copy is now outside your control. And once a copy has trained the model, deleting your chat can't pull it back out. You can't untell it. A whisper, you can take back. A photocopy, you cannot. There's a subtler risk too. If a secret helps train the model, it can sometimes resurface. It can show up in pieces inside a stranger's answer. Usually only if someone deliberately digs for it. The confession quietly leaks out of the booth, in someone else's conversation. Rare, but real. Now this isn't the AI spying on you. It's just a photocopier doing its job. The machine isn't the villain. The fix is simple. Know what to whisper and flip a couple of switches. So here's what to actually do, 4 easy fixes. 1. Don't paste what you can't unshare. That means passwords, ID numbers, medical and money details, and other people's private info. 2. Turn off. Use my chats for training. On ChatGPT, it's under settings. Then data controls. Most big chatbots have their own version. 3. For a sensitive question, use a temporary or incognito chat. Those aren't used for training. Then delete the history. 4. Swap real names and numbers for placeholders before you hit send. Whisper freely about ideas, just not about things you can't take back. So, an AI chatbot isn't a diary. It's a confession booth, with a photocopier behind the curtain. Whisper freely about your ideas and your questions. Just never about the things you could never take back. And flip that training switch off. If someone you know pastes everything into a chatbot, send them this. Calm and simple. I'll see you in the next one.